Good morning, sir and everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Purnomo Jeremy Bambang, with student ID number is 2024-31026. Today, I will present my lab report about SQL programming. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I log into MariaDB using my SQL menu root, create a new database called EventixDB, and select it with use EventixDB. Then, I import the query awal database txt from the command line, running it straight from the MySQL bin folder. After the import, I reconnect to MariaDB and run show table plus select star on each table to confirm all data load correctly. And the next is I use a left join between pelanggan and transaksi ticket. So every customer shows up even without a transaction. Like Rian Hidayat's ID transaksi comes back null. And the next, I use a right join between event and penyelenggara. So every organizer shows up even without an event. Like Creative Media Utama returns null for nama event. And the next, I combine a left join and right join between event and sponsor with union to simulate a full outer join, like showing unmatched rows on both sides, like Gojek and Sinarmas with no link event. And the next, I use a correlate subquery to find tickets price above the average price for their own event, since the subquery recalculates the average per ID event for every row. And the next, I create a view called view recap penjualan, join transaksi tiket, pelanggan, tiket, and event with inner join. Filter to only a successful transaction, like a status bayar sama dengan selesai. Then I test with select start from view recap penjualan. And the next, I filter customer who registered between 2024 and 2025 using between, then sort the result by balance in in the sending order. And the next, I group event by category using count to get the number of event per category and sum, or like anggaran event to get the total budget per category. And the next, I group transaction by ID pelanggan, sum jumlah beli, and use having jumlah the like is jumlah beli lebih dari tiga to find a customer who bought more than three tickets in total. And the next, I create a new user ticket, grant select and insert privilege only on the transaksi ticket table. Then later revoke the insert privilege since the internship period had ended. And the next, um, I uh, open a transaction and run an intentionally wrong update without a where clause. Then roll it back with rollback, so no change were safe. Like and then second, I open a new transaction with a correct update using where ID pelanggan um, sama dengan satu, and save it permanently with commit. And the next is I create an index on the nama event column in the event table to speed up searches based on event name. And next, I backup event leaks EventixDB using MySQL dump from the command line, saving it to cadangan Eventix SQL. Then I create a new empty database called Eventix backup and restore the backup file into it. Finally, I verified the restore by checking the tables and data, and then confirm everything matched the original database using a select star. Maybe this is just from me. Thank you and good morning.